This electric vehicle is specifically designed to be suitable for Chinese families and their commuting needs. It's a compact yet practical vehicle that meets the quality expectations of parents with young children. The kaolaS serves as an excellent solution for urban mobility, combining functionality with modern technology, making it an ideal choice for daily travel in crowded cities. To provide context, the kaolaS is designed with urban lifestyles in mind, particularly addressing the demands of city driving. It features a compact yet stylish exterior, which makes navigating through tight spaces and congested traffic a breeze. More families are opting for electric vehicles, especially those with features catering to their needs, such as spacious interiors and safety systems. Therefore, this model stands out as it offers an efficient solution for parents wanting a reliable car for day-to-day use. Examining the overall exterior design, it's clear that this vehicle falls into the compact category. However, once you step inside, the spacious layout might surprise you. Many sales partners have noted how impressive the internal dimensions are. The focus on both style and functionality makes this vehicle competitive, appealing to families who prioritize space without sacrificing aesthetics. The kaolaS features thoughtful interior configurations, allowing easy access for both adults and children. Its sliding doors simplify entry and exit when parked in narrow spaces, making it ideal for crowded urban environments. This user-friendly design promotes family convenience, ensuring parents can help their children into the vehicle with ease, enhancing the overall travel experience. Inside, the kaolaS takes pride in its versatile interior tailored for families. With 5 seats and abundant storage, it promises enough space for kids, car seats, and casual travel essentials. Parents frequently on the go will welcome this spacious layout and the presence of organized storage compartments that can hold everything from bags to lunch boxes, rendering every trip smoother and more comfortable for all. The kaolaS model emphasizes family-friendly features, promoting safety and comfort for all occupants. The materials used in the cabin are specially selected to meet high health standards, ensuring that everything from the seats to touchpoints are safe for children. As we look closer, the vehicle also employs state-of-the-art soundproofing to minimize outside noise, making every journey relaxing, even during peak hours. For daily commuting, the vehicle excels, making it easy to travel for several days without the need to recharge. This long-range capability is not only convenient but also economical for users with regular travel needs. Users will appreciate how they can leave home without worrying about recharging daily, maintaining a flexible routine. Overall, the kaolaS showcases commendable energy consumption figures. Families considering the kaolaS can take advantage of government incentives aimed at promoting the purchase of electric vehicles. If you are looking to trade in an old gasoline car, the state may offer a generous subsidy. Not only does this reduce initial costs, but with additional potential trade-in value for your old vehicle, it becomes financially feasible for many families to upgrade to this efficient option. The kaolaS has demonstrated impressive sales momentum, with monthly sales surpassing 10,000 units. This popularity reflects the confidence buyers have in a well-established brand. It combines reliability with an appealing design and practical features, making it a strong choice in the competitive market. The kaolaS models several features aimed at young families, including an easy access side door designed to aid entry for children and older adults. This feature ensures that even the youngest passengers can step in and out comfortably. With a balance of safety and ease of use, the kaolaS undoubtedly simplifies family outings, allowing everyone to get in without fuss. In terms of features, the kaolaS is equipped with the latest technology, including a smart infotainment system that keeps families entertained on long drives. This system offers connectivity options for smartphones, real-time traffic updates, and media streaming. Parents can keep kids engaged with their favorite shows or music, ensuring every journey is a delightful experience. Additionally, the vehicle offers robust safety features that include advanced driver assistance systems. For instance, the kaolaS comes with collision avoidance technology and adaptive cruise control, providing an extra layer of protection for families. This commitment to safety reassures parents, offering peace of mind as they travel on busy roads. The energy efficiency of the model also extends to its eco-friendly battery technology. The kaolaS incorporates cutting-edge lithium battery technology, allowing for an extended range while minimizing environmental impact. Families can feel good about their choice, knowing they are contributing to a greener future by opting for this electric vehicle. Finally, maintaining an electric vehicle like the kaolaS tends to be significantly less costly than traditional gas vehicles. With fewer moving parts and no oil changes required, this model can result in lower maintenance costs, making it appealing for budget-conscious families. Linda's family, for instance, enjoys a seamless experience without the worry of frequent repairs or servicing.